YouTube should be live now. Check.
Look at that volume.
George,
Yeah.
almost only 1 point gap is left. Not even 1 point, less than 1 point.
Yep, right there.
They don't want to wait, man.
Yeah. Now he's gonna go.
Because it seems today's Wednesday, right? There may be so much of put volume. That's the reason I think, man.
Mm-hmm.
Today's expiry, right? So there may be so much of put volume on the downside, right? So and
Agree.
generally they do this move in the power hour. They don't do in daytime. But the way it's coming, right?
Mm-hmm. The guy who took a class today in the morning, he made a 46% profit. This is how he pays off your fees.
Hey Josh, what is the gap fill for spot?
What is it? Means why or what?
No, what's the gap? What's the number?
Oh, what's the number? Okay, let me look. We are at that. I would say 37708. 377. That's it. Don't wait for 8 cents. But market gonna go today. I feel like everybody thinking gap is filled and gonna exit, but I think market doesn't want to stop because of the time frame 1 o'clock and they want to continue. Today they want to continue, man. That's what I feel. They want to go long today. So they flushed out all the bear. We are trying previous day high. Market gonna try previous day high. Right here. If we break through that, we're gonna go higher. Right here. Market wants to go. Doesn't want to wait. What did I say? Doesn't want to wait. Man, $3,800 call, 3,800. It was 25 cents. Now it's $5, man. $4.50, guys. Man, why 25 cents? Wow. Man, if I would have held on to it, 1,500% profit would have been.
The 379 spies were 11. I got them for 15. Now they're 34, 35.
Yeah, Josh, those 371 SPY calls were 196 when I got them there. $7.
Nah.
My last take profit was 91%, so can't complain, but I would have been up 250%.
Man, I need to analyze next time something like this. I want to make 1,000% profit one day, and I want to stay in the trade. I'm gonna figure it out.
Yeah, I think what it is you just take your profits and then you let your runners run, you know?
I wanted to do actually today, and I had a thesis that it looked like going to do that, but man, I got too excited 100%. I had a bigger position.
Yeah. And I've easily just let the runners run and then those go to zero, you know?
I entered at 25 cents. I entered at 30. I entered at 40 cents on a cup and handle 40 cents. 35 cents. I had a 50 cents, 40% profit. I could not exit. I end up taking 5 cent loss at that particular event, and then I enter back at 25 cents. So imagine me is like not to stay in the trade, but now I think I need to, when I find something like that, man, just stay in the trade and see whatever it happens, man. What was come to us, what, but maybe keep the small position open. I'm thinking take the capital out and have the profit run. Next time I'll
See,
keep
that's what I was asking a couple of weeks back. It's like, how come I always see, you hear these stories of people, oh, I got 1,000% or I did this. Well, I always exit too soon, but I guess it's always good to have your profit than have none. So
yeah,
can't
but
complain.
yeah. So same thing. I again enter into another trade. I keep entering into the trade because the remain in the trade. Sometimes it also. So what I do is in a class I teach to stay in the trade, and if you want to stay in the trade, that class teaches you how to stay in the trade, and you can still continue like the trade as long as that the risk versus reward is there, and that key teaches. And same setup right here, Nova. You can see that, right? What I'm talking about trade. If you look at the trend line is still intact. Since then, intact. So you're still in the trade. 100% perfect. And it looks bullish. As long as trend line is intact, you stay in the trade. Is good.
Josh, does this make sense? I asked someone because they're like, oh, I ran this and I got 1,500% profit. And I go, well, how'd you stay in the trade? They go, price action. I said, well, what do you mean? Like candles? Price going up? Yeah, price action. Like, well, how'd you stay in the trade? Like, if you're up 90%, I just sell. Well,
yeah, stay in the trade is a possibility.
You set your stop. You move your stop up, so you have, you take maybe a small profit, but if you stop out, but otherwise you just let it ride.
See, there's a
I
luck
mean, I don't
versus.
think it's as simple as that, man. But
Yeah, it's not that easy like that. If it would have been easy, man, what to tell you that? So sometime you got to. There's a. Is what I tell you is experience. You got to spend some time in understanding this whole thing, because if you stay in the, if you learn to stay in the trade, and then you build a hope, damn, that's the worst thing to have in your life, because you can wipe out the whole portfolio, and that's what people do. And staying in the trade in a particularly SPY,
agree.
man, you could lose big time. That's why.
Well, like SPX went from $12 to $95. Those 3,700 calls yesterday,
Yeah.
and my gut would say, okay, you load up at 12. That's the easiest way to lose your portfolio if those go to zero. But it's like how did you identify that? Oh, price action. Well, how did you know to get it? Well, I think at the time SPX was like 37.50, or so you're buying way, you're in the money already, but those things ran to 95. So how did they know to get? How did they know to stay in that one, or how did they know to get that? So if they just say price action, I still don't understand.
Everybody has their own thesis of learning, and I sometimes they're not gonna tell how he learned, what are his experiences. So
Brandon, I can explain one thing, right? So we were just talking with Josh before you become speaker, right? So price action is something which is very subjective, right? Because the price and the movement, right, which everybody follows through technicals, right? Everybody has own way of doing the analysis. But you can do one thing. The moment you are in profit, right? Say, for example, you are having 10 contract, right? And all 10 are in profit. So you can do one thing. You can do a profit booking, right? And you can leave a runner out of your profit. So that can be 50% of your profit or 35% of your profit. And since you're already profitable, right? And you see the momentum still on the upside. If it's a tricky day, take out everything. But if you see a strong momentum, if you look at the 5 minute and you see 10 green candle, right? So you should understand the price action is strong. So you can leave the runner. Of course, you're booking the profit, but out of the profit, 35% is for the runners. And then that runner become a big runner, right? So that's how everybody does. I have done in the past, and it works most of the time. So I keep on trimming, but I leave the runner sometime, even for a swing sometime. So that's how it is for now, Brendan.
Makes sense. Makes sense, and that's when you identify those 10 candles, those days that you see that strength.
Correct. So you need to
kind of like what we just saw here, that the green,
when they say price action, when they say price action, right? So the price action, especially 5 green candle in a row on a 5 minute or 10 minutes, or like 15 minutes candle, 5 green 15 minutes candle in a row. Today, if you go to SPY, just do on SPY, go to 15 minutes and look for the last 10 candles. You will get to know. I don't need to explain. Go to SPY, go to 15 minutes. 15 minutes is a good time frame for intraday or even for the swing, and see for the last. So you will get like 10 green candle in a row. So it's a bullish momentum, and nobody needs to teach anybody. So you will leave a runner.
Got it. But I think the whole point of the conversation is, you gotta basically identify that, and then and then leave your runners. The people who are just basically loading up the boat and holding the whole time. To me, that's gambling, right?
So right now in this market, right, if you see those who were holding the calls from yesterday, everybody lose everything so far because it went down 7 points, right, in SPY. So everybody minimum has lost 80-85%. Now, even if the market is going up, they'll not get anything much out of that because it's already went down, right? So based on the price and the time, right, how much, because nobody has the courage to buy for the next 1 month. Everybody buy for the 3-day or 5-day expiry. And the way the market is moving, the 3 or 5-day expiry or the 0 DT expiry goes very quick. So you should have courage to buy expiry of at least 1 month, right? Then you are okay. Then you can have some breathing time, right? But if you are taking expiry of SPY or Qs or SPX, right, 3 days or 5 days from today, right? Generally, what people does based on the price, right? You don't take contract of $15, $20 for SPY, right? You take only for $3 or $4. So you come say 3 or 5 days. So the moment it go down, right? Even especially in the case of you are having calls, and you see 10 red candle, right? Immediately you think to sell, and you lose everything. So first is the option expiry. So we should take, if you have money, right? It depends on account to account. If you have money, you should take something with the bigger expiry so that you don't get panicked. You think that you have some time. Say, for example, if you have 0 DT today, you could have lost everything at the SPY 371. Nobody can wait, even if you are taking it today in the morning. So based on the 0 DT, say, for example, market open at 374 and went to 371, you could have sold everything, right? Because you know now it's going to do zero. But if you have a Friday expiry, right? For example, not Wednesday, Friday expiry, you can think like let me wait till end of the day and you should be green. So that's how everything work, right?
Yep. It's very, very interesting.
I'm in 37.30 put at 50 cents. Trend line broken, that's the only reason I entered, guys. I mean, I just need a little scalping if I can get it. MACD is still in the bull territory, okay, not in bear territory. That's the reason. Only thing is trend line. EMA did not even cross yet. Now it's crossing. Trying to bounce market. Ticks just turning negative. Reversal coming in. Josh, support for entries? Oh, sure. Sorry, I did not see your message. I was in a support for entries. Right now, his support is this 248.36. 246 is the one support, but if you look at the long support on intraday, that's the one. And no support here. The one gap has been filled. Let me see. Right here. So your support is around 238, 240 right here. Yeah, 240, $10 more down support, just in case if you want to know. Man, this T-mini candle doesn't give anything. Yeah, bounce coming in. No, the momentum has gone. I'm out. Break even. The moment I see the two candle, that's it. I cannot stay. Josh, could you please look at the R made is low float high short interest stock that is running. R made. No, I don't trade like this kind of stock. R made. Nothing on here. The sloping resistance right there, support is here. You got a resistance up there. This is your support. If you look at it here, it's a wedge, downward wedge. Its pressure is down on MACD pointing north, so there's a lot of pressure down there. But once we break this, then north. So at least you need, if you want to be more long side, you need to break this area right here. Then I would say long. Right here, 729 and up. Okay, but if this breaks support, then no good. 554. All right. I just traded 600 contract at 160. Just what, Josh, what do you think about? Oh no, actually, SPY 350 put just traded 600 contract at 162. Or like what I see here. Okay, 50 cent in. Man, I paid too much. 45 cent available. Okay, 37.3730. 50 cents. support is right here. The support. I think MACD entering into bear trade. Let me focus more here, man. Yeah, look like cloud support is here, but MACD looks super bearish to me. Until we come here or not. Still the MACD is not in a bear, man. It's just right in the bull support. Antonio, what do you think about the US 30, US Highway 30, Josh? US Treasury. Treasury 30? US 30, right? That's what I assume. Okay. You're talking about that right here, this one, right? Dow Jones. Man, trying to bounce, looking good. Trying to bounce the bottom. So if you look at it, this is your resistance to wait and watch. And the channel is a little different channel over here. If you look at it, this channel, if you ask me. So we overextended from here to here, sold right here, oversold, and then we bounced, and now we can go back to here around 3160 right here. That's what I can see. When, God knows, but we are heading north. At least cycle is 2-week cycle. So if 2-week cycle could go here. Remember 2-week cycle, because if market maker has agenda go down, you got to identify the cycle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 days, right? So you get to give it 2 weeks from here to go here. You never know, because cycle, the wind is blowing south and you want to go north. If you want to go north, you never know, right? Over here we took 5, 6, 7 days right here. We are in the middle. Actually want 85 in my opinion. Wait a second, this is bullish coming in when I need to exit. Let me see what these people are doing here. Oh man, this is we are at the border, man. Look at that. Your price of control is way bottom down here. I think deceptive here, guys. Okay, it might return U-turn. 5 cent loss. Okay, I'll be right back. Look at that tick. Cannot trust this. You think it double top? Double top. Trend line broken, but we are way far down here. I think we're gonna test today this before we go up north. Right here. Let me look. So that's the short one. This is the real one. Right here, okay. Once we break this, probably cloud right here. And this side we will break 376 here. So market is creating, but the MACD is still in the bull territory. So I'm gonna go anywhere. Don't waste, but not to waste any money. Not to waste any money. SPY 350 just tried 600 contract. Good. Josh, what do you think about XLE? It's still going. XLE is still going good. XLE is strong, man. Now look at, we broke through the cloud. It's looking super bullish. I said yesterday all these energy stocks are bullish. Yeah. Yeah, actually going good. Is going to 85 right there. Then you champion right there, W. So what I think is actually is this. Do you see something what I see? I want to tweet about it. Okay, they're gonna look like this. Market wants to go south. Yep, market.
I'm up 50% right now.
Good job, man. I saw that floor broken, but I was about to tweet something. So, good,
When you get those 374s, that's what I bought.
nice,
I got the 375s.
great job. You're now champion. That's it. You guys know what you're doing, man. That's it. I'm proud of you guys. Interesting. Well, let's trade now. What I see, man. Somebody asked me something. Man, look at that support right there. See that? MACD entering in the bear territory. And there's 3773 when I would have. Okay, that's a support. That's wonderful.
I took profits here, but I'm keeping like some runners in.
Still got a weakness. QQQ. Apple got a support too.
You had a good day, Josh, man. Thank you so much.
Good job,
Like
man.
80%, 50%, then what? I did what? 90% too. I'm done for this week, bro.
Good job. I'm proud of you, man. You took a class and you paid for it. All your hard work.
The class is paying for me.
Good job.
The class is definitely worth it, man, for sure.
Thank you. Still got a weakness. 3730. 50 cents. I mean 50 cents. Okay, let's see if it is real one. I love the MACD, I love the cloud. Only thing the lagging span line has not crossed, so I don't trust. That's the only 1%, 80% I like. The babies did not cross yet. You see that? So this could be fake out. Oh, wow. Every time I. Okay. Exit out. 5 cents. Okay. Oh, is this you? 972 area code?
Yeah, that's me.
Good job, man. You made 84% profit. Good job. Sorry.
Might be when they try to break through.
Sorry. Market is just gonna ping pong here. This is right now. They're just gonna waste time. 2 o'clock. Gonna go up and down, and eventually they're gonna test this trend line. This is what their goal is. So it's just a waste of whatever you do here. Teeny mini profit, teeny mini loss. And then look at this nice bull flag setup, long run. I am scared to trade. I lost 1200 on Tesla put and it went up 100% today, but I sold at a loss yesterday when it went up. Because your cycle, man, Raven, if you blow up the money, why don't you take a class? You know, you every day you type, I lost 1200, I lost 1500, but how you trading? Why not to analyze? You know, I really feel, man, this is not the community to hang in here, because if I see like this, you may losing money, something is not right. You need to first make the foundation strong, and you just trying to guess. It's up to you. First of all, you need to change your things of trading style, because you say I went yellow. Yellow is like, man, fastest way to lose the wealth. So that word should not be in our dictionary. YOLO, hope, dangerous, man. It's dangerous when we trade. It could have, would have, should have, Raven. That's the whole market has a could have, would have, share, could have, right? And everybody has the story. The problem is you need a proper cycle to entry and exit. Otherwise, many people would say, I could have hold it one more day. I could have this. It's not about that. It's about like you need to think about your pocket. You need to worry about your pocket. How can you make money? That's how you need to think of it. Oh wow, my kid's car is ready. You want to see the car he fixed? The other day I showed you, right? The dent here, he fixed it. How was the dent before? Before was like this. Oh boy, let me see. He put a little dent. I don't know, man, where did it go? I'll show you something. Yeah, right here. This guy has it right here. The dent. He sent a picture. This is how it looked like. This is how it looked like. Sorry, let me bring the picture to you. This is what was before. You see the dent right there. Now he fixed that. Now it look like this. He fixed it. In 3 days, he fixed it. 2 to 3 days. $1,500 he charged.
It looks like it's about to drop.
SPY?
Yeah, SPY looks like it's gonna drop in a second.
We are in a bear territory right now, MACD. So it could possibilities are there. Cloud has been broken. Only thing is lagging span line. We need to cross. Once we cross there, we'll see. Until then, we just there is no momentum. You know what I mean? Like, you see what I'm talking about? I need momentum, man. This is all deceptive. 1 or 2, 3 candle, and then again green, red. That's not what I'm looking for. That's like we can play coins. No, I'm not looking for that, man. I need to cultivate something good stuff now, man. I want to learn to be not to just jump in and just wait for the best, and that's it. But then our community will be boring community all around if I only trade 1 or 2 trades a day. there might not be an excitement. Yeah, then I bounce back up morning. Now I'm hurting. It's stressful, man. Makes me scared, trader. I don't know, Raymond. Do you have a proof of you lost money? because you always say I always lose money, so I don't know what you're doing, man. No, I'm sorry, I don't need a proof actually. No, it's alright. Just to be just do paper trading. That's the best solution. Paper trading is the best. Yeah, bull flag on SPY. I said that. Look at that. Right here, trend line is here, flag is here. It's gonna shoot, but before it shoot is 2 o'clock only. So let's see. Everybody thinking we're gonna. So this is, remember, this is how you got to take the head of the retailers and put the head of market maker. So what market maker do? Okay, let's create a flag for whom? For my customer. My customers are retailers. Okay, what they are seeing right now? Oh wow, look at that bullish flag setting up. It's gonna fly high, right? And boom, it's gonna go try to break out and bing, and then bring it down. Everybody got washed. Premium will be washed here until 3:30, and we'll be holding hope. So it's gonna come back. It's gonna come back, and then your all premium got washed. Wow, this is what you need to think. So that's why, in order to avoid, I would like to prefer to stay outside. Let the tsunami pass, let the system pass, whatever their agenda is. Let this clear the system, what they are doing. If they break upwards and go, everything looks great, we're gonna jump in, pay a little more premium, right? That's how I see. Instead of burning money, that's why you notice I don't like to prefer to be in the trade. If I like to be in the trade, I'm always playing coins. Don't want to be part of anything. So for me, this is a trap. So it look a good setup. I'm not saying no, it's a good setup, but for me, it's not a good setup. Why? Because these people have different agenda. At 2 o'clock, it's not 3:30 or 3:15, or not at 3:30. I know market gonna go north, but I don't want to burn the premium staying. Once you enter in the trade, that's it. What happens is you get locked in. I take loss. You know that I take 5 cents, 10 cents, move on. We were way far here, right? Yeah, absolutely, man. They will do all things. W pattern right now. Look at that W. You see that? Oops. Man, come on. What am I doing? By the time W will be finished. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That could be a W. Breakout. But I'm not participating into that trade.
Just short it, man. Short
it. Look at that. Look at that. Let me get it up so you can see. We are at the cloud. Look at the cloud. It's consolidating. So it's all consolidation out here. So look at the channel. Forget about this right now. You see this? Just imagine this channel. You see that? That's the channel. Faking out. They try to fake it out. So this is breakout and fake out right there. And then now they're gonna test the bottom here. You watch. All these bulls will be excited and thought you're gonna go fill up this. And guess what? It's gonna go down. And they'll be holding hopes. Nice.
Short it all. Short it all.
Mm-hmm. Sorry guys, couple of times we went YouTube down. Somebody said that. That's good. Now MACD trying to turn it into bullish, but it's only 215. MACD entering into the bull territory. They'll create all the bulls out here, and then they do something. W pattern finishing up, right? That's the neckline. Once we break that, we're gonna go on W. MACD bullish to $2. I'm into $2 call 3800. 265. I'm out 60 cents. 60 cents. W pattern about to finish. I don't want to wait, man. See that? Look at the breakout neckline. I was just trying coin. Get the likes going, otherwise YouTube will crash. Yep, YouTube will crash. Netflix slowly glowing up. Yep, good. Netflix is a good one, man. Wow, look at that. All these Netflix went down, 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 down. This could have been the great one, man. Netflix. Beautiful. Yep, absolutely. Netflix is great, guys. Good point. Oh man, they're expensive. 240. $240 strike is $2.40 calls. Yeah, we could go up to here probably. And if we break that, we could go higher. If market goes run today, then we could go higher. These are the true target for Netflix, because we are above the cloud. Only thing, little push needed, and we can could go. Neckline breaking up. Dan, good man, good job. Dan, you got a Hawkeye, I can tell you that, man. You bring good stuff. Loving your all the inputs, like your inputs. I like this Kumar. Say, Josh, do you see a green end of the day or a red end of the day, right? Green. That's just tell me about the green or red, right? Call it a day. Just finish the. Look at market is, if you understand this, what happened is the pre-market open red, right? So, and if you compare with the previous day, absolutely, we did not go anywhere. We are right there where we are still behind. If you look at the compare with the previous day, but if you compare with the pre-market opening, then we are behind, right? But absolutely, so answer is this: we are green today, right? But we did not go anywhere since yesterday. We are behind. If you see the chart here, you see that? Look at that. Right now it's 2:30, so imagine another 1 hour will be like a wasting time, probably. Let's see whatever they do. With all due respect, sir, you are like our fortune teller. Fortune teller. Oh boy, you guys are catching my words, huh? I think they're gonna burn the premium out here, so just they're gonna compress easily the channel. So let me get out of let me clear all the garbage in between so you can see all this. Oh, you see the channel? This is what they are creating right now, putting in. So in between here, they're gonna break. They're gonna create chaos, and I think they're gonna create and test the VWAP. You watch. This is what I'm thinking. They're gonna test these trend lines and all these things. You watch, because cloud is like a straight line here. Creating now cloud. So I feel like they could do this. And if you look at this right here, once we break this trend line, we could go and test this and test that. That's what they're heading to do that. So if anybody want to print something small right there. Okay.
Hey Josh, sorry I missed that. What were they planning on doing?
Oh, man, what I think is that the cloud, you see horizontal, right?
Mm-hmm.
And the channel is right here in between. So whenever the channels are, they're gonna ping pong in between until that. How they're gonna pass the time? Whenever they pass the time means for them they got to burn all the premium people would have holding hopes, calls, and puts. So they're gonna play ping pong in one green, red, and they're gonna burn the premium. And then somehow they're gonna scare all the bulls and bear. If they want to go north, they're gonna go south. This is what they do normally, right? If they want to go north, 8 out of 10 times they will go south, and we all think they are going south, and then they will take U-turn. That's I'm thinking. I feel like they want to go north, but eventually they're gonna test these and test the trend line. I'm feeling like that. If the cloud breaks and the trend line this breaks probably, then they could go and test this trend line. This is the trend line coming all the way from the bottom of the day. This one right here. But they will create
makes perfect sense.
Yeah, and they would fix this right now, probably W pattern. Eventually they wanted to go W, but they could reject it. People all got scared, and now they are going to finish the W. Or they might not even do this. Okay, guys, it's just right now it's 2:30. Market is overall bullish. Josh, I just wanted to say hi. I'm still here. Oh, okay, thank you, Heavy. Thanks for coming in, man. Haven't been trading. Okay, good. That's the punishment, right? You're giving yourself. You're not trading. That's, man, you have a good composition. The person who don't trade is great, and we all need to learn from him. XOM $99. XOM. Yep, 99 XOM. Look at that. We posted yesterday, and look at that, man. It did. My energy gonna fly, man. These people already shorted too much. Now they want to take it up. What's up, Brandon?
Hey, Josh.
What's up?
Hey, so back to the this cloud question. See how your timeline at the bottom, you can go out to like 1500. See that? So like on mine, it just shows 1430 for time. How do you get your graph or your chart to go ahead? Like, cause see your cloud's ahead of your ticks. See what I'm saying?
Right here, okay. And yours is not? Send me picture.
Yeah, I'll send you a picture. Mine's just real time. Like, so I've been playing around with it all day. So I'll send you a photo. And then another question is, see where the green changed to the red cloud and then the red cloud changed to the green cloud? Is that an indication of anything, or do you just watch for the candles above mean support and the candles below mean resistance?
Could you repeat again? What is it?
See where it's the green cloud switched to the red cloud, and then the red cloud switched to the green cloud ahead of your ticks? Is that do you watch the indicator when it does that and it flops?
No. No.
Okay.
I just wanted to look at the price action, what price is doing. This is just a small indicator I keep. Doesn't mean that I'm going to react based on the cloud. Right now it's just the compression consolidation. This is the channel. You see the channel. So sometimes they are laggard, all these clouds and EMAs. That's what I've been saying. But then the MACD also you need to keep eyes. There's a variety of things we need to look into it before we just jump in on just based on the cloud. But I don't just immediately react on cloud.
Yeah, no, I understand. I have several different little indicators. I was just trying to figure out how the heck is your cloud ahead of your ticks like that?
I didn't do anything like that, man. It's just send me a picture. Let me look.
Will do.
All right.
I'm not using TradingView, so it's
Oh,
street
okay.
smart edge. You know.
Okay. Yeah. Then I would not know, man, because this everybody has the different indicator with the settings on it, so that could be different.
Yeah, probably.
Yep, John, you're right. It's automatic. Yeah, I don't set this. Okay, Brendan, I don't do the cloud setting like this, and I don't set up. It just automatically does that. Oh, like look at that. They want to go north. Is there a FAB extension? Yeah, absolutely. Right there. You see this? This is FAB. FAB retracement, FAB extension. All this you can use this. So right there. But I don't use FAB. I used to use that, but no good. I don't like it. Man, MACD still in the bull territory, okay? Still is bullish. Natasha, hey Josh, I learned how to trade SPX just by listening to you past few weeks. I made my very best $90 profit on my first ever SPX trade. Man, that is, I really proud of you, Natasha. You know, if you really compose yourself, cool, calm, and traded, and you made, that's really good job. It's commendable. You know, somebody comes in and say something I made, it's good. Thank you for sharing with us. Appreciate. Guys, today we have a 4:30. We have one student. So 4:35 o'clock. So we'll start the class today after market close. 4:30 we will start around 4:30. 5 minutes up and down, but 4:30 we'll start the class. So if anybody want to do technical intraday class, because I have a student who wants to take one class. So if anybody wants to join today 4:30, we will have an intraday class where you will learn how to stay in the trade, how to exit in the trade, how to take a loss. That is important. And how to risk versus reward when you enter into trade, how long you want to take a risk, right? You get my point? How you want to continue in the trade or not. How do you not to build a hope, right? I'll explain you, show you that this is where you cannot build a hope. That's how to catch the momentum. Sometimes remember I say this is the picture perfect setup. That setup I show you, I'll explain you, I'll teach you. So those are the things today class we have 4:30. After market close, we'll do 4:30 class. So if anybody wants to do it, then I have one student, so we'll add it up. Intraday class right here. Those who wants to join, text me this number 4:30 class 732-325-2000. Okay, and you want to try one class, take that one class. It costs you $250. If you don't like it, you think, oh no, Josh, I don't like it, you can get your refund. Okay, but I want people to take the classes. I prefer people to take class. Click a picture if you need it. 4:30 will start, around 4:30 for 5 minutes up and down, but 4:30 class will start after market close. Absolutely, your theta affects every second. Every second theta affects. Theta is in a timer, just like, remember the little timer things, just like that. Machine calculates all your theta every minute. Delta and theta calculates every minute. Price goes up and down, and you lose it by. Look at that bullish setup right here. You see this? Nice ascending a triangle setup, and market look like wants to go and fly and test the top right here. You see that? This is what it looks like to me right now. That's what people think that too. Let's see if we really want to do that way, or is it gonna break out and fake out. So SPX was here around right here at around $3. Now it is here, price went up, but we are 170, 165. You see that difference here? Price is like going up and down here, but we burning 50% value if people holding the what you call the runner up, right? We host. That's why I don't prefer to be runner up keeping up there and losing money, because sometimes when market goes sideways, man, those runner up are dangerous, and that's why I like to take the money and then re-enter back. Yeah. Brandon.
Hey Josh, I figured it out.
Oh, good.
Sorry, man, because I'm done trading for today. So sorry.
That's all right. No, don't worry, man. I like what you said. I'm done trading today. That's what I want to hear.
Yeah. So real quick, it's just called extra periods. And I had it on 0. So if I hit like 25, it takes me out to your same timeline, and it puts that cloud ahead of my ticks, man.
I see. Gotcha.
So again, I don't, like you said, you don't use it like that, but like if I see a green cloud ahead of my ticks, is that a little bit, could be maybe an indicator we go up, or no?
No, the momentum builds. So cloud is going here. So the cloud is giving you little things, but that because of the what is happening here, whatever happening is bullish here, that's what the cloud is created here. This red is belong to this red. This green is belong to this green. Getting?
I see.
All right. So it doesn't mean the cloud is ahead of us. Doesn't mean that that is something indication that is going to happen. No, this is because
That's just that strong green candle right there. I see.
Mm-hmm.
Good to know.
No problem.
And do you like your settings? You know, like where you have room in front. You know, like extra periods. I think I've never traded with that before like that.
Man,
like
everybody is I don't know, man. I'm okay with. I don't focus too much in like it or not like it, man. I'm a, like a easy go guy. But yeah, I like it. Whatever. I keep changing stuff. You notice every few days something, few months something. I keep changing something. I change, and just to whatever I feel, I sometimes I change, but it's nothing big change, nothing big.
Sounds good.
Mm-hmm.
Hey Josh, hey, could you take a look at Tesla and see if there's a setup on that?
Tesla, what do you want to call the puts?
Calls. I don't know if that's a cup and handle or there's too much pressure on it right now.
You have too much pressure? Oh, what did you say? You have too much pressure on what?
No, I'm just wondering if that's like a cup and handle setting up right now, or if there's just too much pressure.
Oh, I see what you mean. Yeah, right now I don't see handle yet, but I do see cup. Probably could be a cup. Oh, this is not a cup and handle. No, this is not. This is not the cup and handle. Nope. Now this could set up here. This could set up here, little bit small one, and then it become cup and handle because everybody's bearish. So this is what happens. Look right here, and man, market wants to fly. This is this, and then probably another one they build something. We'll see. But if that happens, we'll keep eyes on it. Okay.
Cool. Thanks for checking that out.
No problem. Tesla supply zone. Oh, right here. Right now, price of control line is above and the bottom here too. So market wants to bounce. I see a pullback and then call it go. Yeah, that's the right here. So this could be a one. Let's see market now. We touch down the high right here. Okay. Now the real game begins. I don't like the MACD. $248. Market gonna roll today, huh? Gonna go up. Look at the Netflix is still going right here. Slowly. may pull back. Yeah, everybody thinking we're gonna go higher, right? It could be possible. It could be pullback. The trend is running right here, but we will keep eyes on it. Once this trend line breaks, absolutely possibilities are there. It can pull back because of the MACD giving up. You never know. Right now it's too early. Maybe I'll wait. Whatever they do. We not say the spy green any minute and then kaboom. Yeah, man. Not looking good. We'll wait for the sideway. Yeah, waiting on a sideway is the best option than staying in the game and then kaboom. Right? See, I got your message. So 4:30 class. Let me see. I'll text you.
Thank you, Josh.
No problem. Breaking out. Okay, right there. Faking out. $2.10. Let me see here. Reality. They're gonna break and they're gonna fake. $2.
Hey, Josh, how does tape look on SPY?
Looking bullish right now, but remember they are trying to show you something because it's 3 o'clock, 2:53. Maybe they try to think we're gonna go north, and they go little north, and then the boom, and then they're gonna spend time out here 30-40 minutes, something like that. They have done several times in their life, right? That's why I don't take any chance to enter now, because man, this what they show is that's not what their agenda could be. That's why I don't trust this green red. Are you in the trade?
I had to hop out.
On what?
I was in the calls.
Okay.
I was expecting the breakout. It
Man,
broke out a little bit. Now it's retesting, but I think it's going to go back up. I think I made a huge mistake.
I play both side. I play the the what market cannot show you, and they do same thing also. It's a fake out and breakout. Both can happen. Only thing is, I like we can execute every trades. That's what I think. Every trade is difficult to execute, and I try to avoid. Just 22 September now on 45-minute chart cup and handle. 22 September. Excuse me. Nugget, what is gold doing today? We're gonna try today's high. That's for sure. Look like, but when yesterday high, we're gonna try yesterday high right there, not that far, right here. You see this? That's what market wants to go look like. But when so want to shoot up look like, huh? 3800 call, I'm looking at it. $1.85.95. So let's see. 190. They will shoot up or not? That's the question. Ticks are holding. Apple wants to shoot up. They're showing like they want to shoot up. Bollywood BGM just subscribe. Thank you, man. Thank you for subscribing. Welcome to Top Trading Edge community. See that? Oh boy. Look at the triangle setup. Everybody think market gonna go and fly high. You think they're gonna do that or they're gonna fake it out? Look like they want to go. Look at the Apple wants to go, Google wants to go, and they want a shooting star. Alright, how about this? I can go 170, 180. Man, premiums are expensive. 3 o'clock right here, and then give me 170. One red candle I would enter. 180 now. Trying to enter. $2 in. Let's see it's gonna break on that. 3800 strike. See that? All 1, 2, 3, everything is popping. So okay, kaboom. but they're gonna fake out. Remember that. People take profit.
It's a bull market.
It's a bull market, yeah. 230. I just needed a one green candle. Yeah, right there. Yep, 295. Look at that. Woohoo! Haha. $4. Wow. I want to exit. $4 if I can get it. 320. Man, amazing. The strike is right there, man. 320. Wow.
I don't see anything between here and 380 on the SPY. Like, I think it can gain three more dollars.
Yeah. I'm just trying to, I not trying to be greedy because it's too much profit right now. That's how I see. I see the too much.
Oh, okay.
If it goes, yeah, absolutely. Look like I can print big, but I have a 90% profit right now. 380 and $4. I put $4 if I can get. That's the resistance. I want to exit. $370. Yep, right there. Wow, he showed me 319. My $4 call executed. I kept the runner just to try. 100% profit. Wow, can you believe it? You put your price, you get executed. Even the 10, I know, because I know people know there's a buyer, so that's why we went up. Wow, look at that. Now it's for 40. That's why it got executed. No wonder, right? That's why there's a buyer there. Okay, I'm just having runner right now. Only one contract. Oh, whoa. Look at that now, $5. $2 to $5. Can you believe it? That's it.
This is a gap fill.
Gap fill, yep. You got it. Okay, man. Why would I hold it, man? I would have just get rid of it. 430. Let me see how far we going. Man, my chart is too much right now. Hold on. No, there's no gap here. No gap here.
I think there is. It's the 378 or something like that. I've got it on my chart. I'll have to check it again.
Hold on, let me check right now. I'm on a 1 minute chart. No, we don't have. Look at that. We have nothing. We are right there here. 379.11. So let's see. We don't have it. So. Okay. Man, today I'll tell you. Man, amazing. Maestro. Okay, let's see what runner-up brings. $5, 480. Man, MACD pointing. Okay, where are these coming from? This one is coming from where? Let me see all this. Let me close this all too much here. I'm gonna close the VWAP. Okay guys, I don't need VWAP right now, so let's close that. And then just a second, I need this here to be precise right here. Yesterday I mentioned about this, right here. So T, this is your my this is where we're supposed to go, right here. Okay, this is to be precise guys, right here. I'm gonna exit right here where I put my runner up. Okay, so just to show you what my goal is, runner up right here, and the runner up is 379.06. 379.06. okay, come on, too much. Even if it becomes 0, I will just keep it right there. Okay. Hey Josh, you crazy man. This the problem is, man, this SPX, you keep it, you're gonna lose money. That's why I like to take money, man, because they're gonna pull and do the thing. Look, I could not exit. Now it's 390, 380. You see the setup, guys. Look at that. Look at how, man, huh? Gurdeep. 370, 80, 81, logical level. Man, today market, let the market run, man. Let's see. That's the previous day high. We already touched down previous day high. Let's see if it really goes or not. I think that's it. I think that's it, guys. Okay. Previous day highs is, that's it. MACD is kind of giving up, or keep the runner up, guys. Keep the runner. Let's see, man. Let's see if really agenda is their agenda to go north more, or it's gonna pull back 3 o'clock. I don't know, man. They're gonna wash everybody. I'm out 350. I don't want to keep it, man. I'm too shaky to keep it. See that? That's why. MACD even giving up. It might go. It might go, but later stage is better. I can buy it for $1, $2. Why would I hold it for 350? Why would I keep losing money from $5 to? That's the reason I don't like runner up. I can re-enter now, right? It's cheap now if I want to enter. See that? That's why. Man. Yep, on YouTube only. Okay. Oh, here we go, man. Back in at $4. Back in again with $4. Paid more money. I'm playing coins, guys. Okay, I'm just playing a little with my profit. So let's see. It's a game, dirty game out here. Dirty games. Let's see what did they do. Even give me $5, I will exit. $1 is good enough. I'm playing with the coin, just to let you know. I'm not playing anything. It's just the market maker agenda is right here. MACD giving up. It's a bull flag, look to me. See that? Then bull flag. Let's see if that plays. Man, it's 380. MACD I don't like. Other than that, let's see. Weakness is there. Man, MACD I don't like. Out 360. Nope. Yeah, I know bull flag, man. It could be bouncing, bang, bang, bang. But it's just a coin, man. Man, what a runner-up this catch right here, huh? Guys, did you notice that, man? This is the good one, man. 100% profit in 5 minutes. That was a good one. I knew this. They're doing this, the breakout, but it's the fake out or not. That was a good. But the MACD I saw, man. MACD I saw. I said, look like this baby wants to go. And all EMA were lined up. This was the picture perfect here too. Triangle setup, HOD. The market was up here, previous day high. Market gonna go up here. Man, today is a lot of fun, I tell you that. A lot of fun, just like yesterday. I did not expect. Normally, whenever I have the great day one day, and then next day is always a horrible day, or maybe a sideway or something like, Market wants to do something. Yeah, wants to go. $390. I don't want to go, man. Because this is the previous day high. If that breaks, man, this is gonna go. If that breaks, previous day high is the previous day high is right here. So same thing what we did here. Previous day low, we broke down and then we took a U-turn. So market maker, they can do the similar thing here. Either go high. Oh, previous day high is where? Yeah, right there. Previous day high is right there. That's where we are. Now we broke. Man, look at that. See, this is what I was about to think and to do it. I missed the boat. Oh, okay, right there, coming back. 450. 470 I paid, I mean. Oh, look at that. Oh, why, look at that. Oh, whoa. We're gonna touch down the previous. Look at that, 560. Out. 550, I'm out. I don't want to wait for even that one. dollar, good enough. Just little, I'm trying with the coin, okay? It's nothing going crazy. It's just a few bucks getting my lunch money. Look at that breakout, right? Bull flag. Remember, guys? See that bull flag setup? Look at that. That's why I enter and I made $1. Yeah, yeah, baby, we'll go. Man, if I would have hold that my runner up. That's it. That's it, guys. Don't want to go crazy anything now. Man, that's $6.30. Could have done that. Look at the MACD still strong, EMA still strong. $6. What is this here? What exactly happening here? Where did this come from? Oh, right here. Previous day. This is the. I think that's it, guys. Okay, be careful here from onwards. Be careful because that's it. Then there's a lot of room here. Probably they keep it for next day. Market wants to go higher, and look at the touchdown right there, guys. Look at the price target, man. We touchdown. You see that? This is how we nail it down. 670. Many people think, Josh, why don't you short, man? No, man, that's not what I would do. But hey, let's think. Good idea to think, right? Nothing too wrong to think. 3780 put is 55 cents. 3780. I'm not gonna short. I'm gonna wait for something. That's the top line. They're gonna break a little bit and then fake and then come back. So maybe 10 minutes. Let's see. I'm keeping an eye on it. Let me see if any weakness on things or not. Right now, no weakness. I'm not gonna go, but I don't wanna go either call. Market wants to go north. That's for sure. Look like, but the area where we are at 3790. Man, wants to go, guys. Huh? Look at that. Man, that would have been $4 become $7.20. Okay, let's see. Tesla trying to break the supply zone. It's already broke right there. That's the broke, and now we went up. So that's Tesla looking bullish. Tesla is looking bullish. Look at the cup and handle play right there. You see that? Cup and handle play. And Tesla looking good. It's okay. Let's focus on one trade, man. Everywhere we go, we lose money. Man. 850. Look at Apple, look at Google, look at Tesla, constant non-stop. Look at the Meta, everything, look at that, man. Okay, 850, 820, I mean 830, I mean 3800. Small quantity, okay. Oh, look at that, look at that, look at that. Okay, now they want to go. Let's see. Come on. Break it. Flush, huh, guys? Could be a flush. MACD diversion. Yeah. Perfect time to short from the top. $8.10. Don't like 60 cents. I'm out. 70 cent loss. But it was a coin. Remember I told you it's a coin I'm playing. It's still bullish. Look at that. I don't like the MACD. Playing at the border is dangerous, guys. Remember, here playing at the border is like too much. This is extra. That's the reason. I'm gonna wait. I like put side. If anything drastic change happens, man, we could print money. 37870. Okay, I'm in $1.50, 3790 put. Let's go. And I paid full price. Oh boy. They're not gonna go like that. They're gonna no, man, this is not. Trend line is way far out here. You see this? I think they're gonna pull back and go north. Feel like that. If it goes up, I'm gonna exit. I'm not playing with the coin here, little bit position there. That's why I want to take a little profit if I can make. 60, something like that. 70. Yeah, trying to bounce. Okay, I'm out. 10 cent. 10 cent loss. Cannot. 1, 2, 3 candle, 4 candle line enough. Oh, okay. Look like inviting me. 120. Okay. I think need time to get back in. I'm in $1.30. I'm playing small guys, not going anything crazy, okay? %10 of my profit I'm playing. You just do the math. I'm not playing coin, but I'm playing 10% of my profit. Okay, wonderful. Now is 140, 150. Yes, let's go. Let's go 160. Okay, here we go. Let's go 175. Come on, man, look at the price. Bounce. Cannot catch up the momentum. No, man. $330. Green red they are doing. Oh boy. The highest money people could lose in playing lotto, guys. Remember, that's the fastest way to lose wealth if you do not know what you're doing. $165. Yep, here we go. Go on, come on, let's go, man. Let's make some moolah. Let's make some web. $2 right there. Let's go. Yep. Right here. Yep. $2. 190. I put my order. Let's see if I can get. Wait, cancel. 190. Man, I could not get 10 cents. I could not exit. MACD looking bearish, but that's the support I'm targeting if let that happen. Yep, now 190, give me 2. $2 right there. Come on, man, it showed it didn't get executed. Even though I put my order, it showed me $2 asking, but did not go through. Man, it's frustrating. Look at that teeny mini candle, man. This no momentum, nothing. Frustrating. Seriously, man. You know what? I feel like to exit. Out. Break even 135 5 cents. Forget about it. Man, look at that. All the way tried here, here. One green, one red, one green, one red. Look at that damn drama. Yeah, it's just the fun, like a roller coaster ride. You go in and out. Okay, not a good way to trade, guys. Okay, this is just to let you know it's not a good trade here. This is not a setup. This is just like you go to a slot machine and you getting bored, you play red green like this. It's a waste of time. Oh man, I didn't see, guys, your questions, if anybody. What's up, man? Ishabullah, you got any question?
Hi to everyone.
Hello. What's up?
I'm Tsla from Afghanistan. Let me talk about my problem. I have
What's up, man? Ralph. And now it's coming back again. 160. Okay, I mean 160, 3790, $1.60 full price period. Magdy pointing south. Yeah, playing game. 180. Spread is high. That's a bullish setup. Okay. Here we go. Look at that $2 now. I'm out. $2, 40 cents. 40 cent profit. That's the game. Look at the MACD. Looking at the weakness now, but not looking good. Man, danger move, guys. Market wants to dump. Market wants to go south. I feel like MACD looking very bearish. Price action looking this. Okay. Support. That's the support area. All right, let's see. 3790. If this support breaks, then I will go in the short side. Until then, I'll just wait for it. Because that's the trend line too, a little bit. And it's 338, so they're gonna do opposite. They're gonna go north. Look at the MACD. We'll wait. Setting up a bull flag, yeah, probably you're right. Look at that. If you look at 5 minutes, absolutely. They're gonna show something and they'll do differently, right? Because dirty game time, 340, 340 dirty game time. Do I use RSI? MACD is right here, blue line, and your signal line is a combination of RSI. Here we go. Market looking weak, guys. I can see that. Market looking weak. Support is there, but MACD is not like Yeah, they're gonna show something and do different thing. 3790. Still price is holding. Yeah, the price of control line, Gurdeep, they're gonna move it up. When the real momentum starts, they will move it up. You in maybe another 5 minutes they will come up. They will just bring automatically. We'll see. And that's where the burning premium starts. That's why you need to preserve the money, whatever we made money. Otherwise, if you blow it up, that's why I play like 10% of my profit. 10% of the profit I would play when I want to play India. You make, you lose, you break, you lose, like that happens here. Weakness is there, maybe gonna roll, everything will be there, and then they're gonna take a U-turn. You watch, that's what they will do. Oh, support breaking, support will bounce. MACD, look at that. Weakness is there on tick. Look at the ticks. Ticks looking weak, but Apple, look at that, Apple and Google. I can't trust them. That's a support, strong support, and they're gonna go north. You watch. Look at that north, right? Look at that. Probably buying the calls. 3,800. $2.20. I'm not buying yet. I'm just looking at it. Oh, they want to break the floor. Yeah, they want to break the floor. That cannot trust. This area is a critical zone. They are showing like gonna go down and they take a U-turn. That's why not in the trade at the danger zone. Feel like they're gonna run it up to the north at the end. From here they're gonna run. So maybe what, 15 minutes left right now, right? I don't know what they're gonna do here. Let's see. Wow, MACD entering into the bear. Look at that. Do you want to go north? Okay. The trend line breaking. See that? This is the trend line. So this is the second trend line right here. Let's see what market does. It probably sell off also. Support, look at that support bar. They'll do something momentum. I want to catch. I have the calls and puts both ready. Wanted to buy it in the call. I don't want to buy anything. Oh wow, wow, look at that. $3790, 180. Yeah, but look at the MACD. MACD is saying I want to go north. Nope. No. Man, this is deceptive right there. You see this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 minutes, 10 minutes we spending right there at 378. Something is cooking out here. Look at the week above the body. All these above. So they're pushing down, pushing it down. They are pushing it down. Price wants to go north and market maker wants to go south. Let's see. $3790. I would rather not trade nothing, unless I get a momentum. Momentum is the one who's gonna give you money. Yep, calls. 3800. Market wants to go north. 230. 240. 250. I mean, $2. I paid the full price, 3800. Let's see. Let's go. Look at that. See that wick above the body? That's what I say. Wick of the body coming in the moment it goes up. Wick above the body comes. See this? Market has because of the MACD is in a bad territory. So they don't want to go north. Burn out the premium. Nope, I don't want to go either. Okay, just look at the price of control and just move down. I'm out. I want to buy a put. Okay. 3790, $2 put. Price of control and is still right there. Yeah, man, I play coin, guys, okay? I'm just having fun and I'm telling you, I made a good enough money today and I'm only putting coin out of my and I decided I will not even use more than my 10% of the profit. So you can imagine. So when I take a loss on coin is fine. I'm looking for a momentum because see what happens is when you enter into the momentum and your coin clicks, you get 100%, 200% profit. It doesn't click, you lose your 20%, 15%, 20% like that. You follow? But it's a coin. So, but at least I will learn that the momentum how they play. That's how I become master. Market looking very weak right now. Okay, I mean,
we want to look at the dark pool data to see if there is one very large trade on SPY or SPX, the SP 500.
Oh, some big trader came out.
Yeah, it should be enormous.
Let me see. SPX.
I just got S&P 500, so I don't know if it's SPY or SPX.
$1.7 million call just now came in. That's the one. Call came in.
What about, is there a 13 or 12 million down below? Like, is there something giant that you haven't seen in size that big before?
12 million put. But that was 12 o'clock. He must have already booked the profit probably.
Yeah, Wells Fargo is stating that the S&P 500 push up was fueled by one giant trade on the options.
Wow, yeah, guys, there's a put, guys. Look at that put. Market want to flush. Man.
I think that was 55 million I saw.
Whoa, hold on, I got to trade, man. Man, $2 now become $7, guys. My God.
Good job, Josh. Way to go.
No, I didn't get in anything. I wanted to get in and I was on other window. Last minute is just $2 was $2.30. I wanted to enter. And then I switched the window and it becomes this whole red candle, big one. It's alright. Okay, now $7, man. Look at the spread, man. These people are asking too much. I cannot enter like that. Okay, I gotta go to SPY. $3.77 SPY, 40 cents. No, I'm gonna watch. Shadow, okay. A lot of puts coming in. I can see the lot of puts coming in. Okay, I mean $1.05. I paid $3.78. SPY. Man, look at the price of control line. Market is controlling super duper. Price of control line is right there. They don't want to flush it. I think there is something is definitely brewing, man. Very, very strong bearishness. Let's see if we're gonna print today. I think something is brewing. MACD entered into bear territory. Something is cooking out here. Look at that. Look at that, man. We're gonna print today. I'm in good size. Out of my percentage, okay. Not like I'm not playing low coin. I feel like it's gonna happen something. Look at that. All this activity. Let's see if it is. Oh wow, here go. Woohoo! 131. Here we go. I'm telling you, man, something going to cook in. Price of control line has been broken and the QQQ is just already started going down. So loving it, this one, the way, man. Today is a day. Look at that. Imagine if I had been here. 131, 125. Go baby, go. Let's go and print today, man. Let's do it. Let's break the record today. Haha. Interesting. Market maker doesn't want to go down because they lose money and there's a pressure down there. You follow, there's a lot of activity cooking in, man. I'm gonna print today big time, guys. I'm telling you, man. I feel it and I'm loving it. I'm gonna book at least something. Let's see. Ah, man, these people are coming. Okay. Look, price went up, this one, and the premium went down. Okay, no, it's real. Premium went down. They're controlling. Look at the MACD all the way at the bottom and EMA. But the price, they don't want to go down. 106. Try to control. Mm-hmm. Yeah, look at that pressure. $111. Market, there's a little fight going on at the price of control line area. Forget about it. I took a loss. 10 cents. Okay. Time to back enter again, man. If any price of control line is trying to cross, see when any candle cross above, I don't want to go. I'm gonna enter back if I had to. Yeah, back in. Same price. Man, the spread is higher, guys. 10 cents, 6 cents. You gotta put your price 5 cents difference. You can get it. 105. Yep, here we go. Let's go. 120. No, man, these people are controlling at the price line. Here we go. 2 minutes left. 125. Let's go. 127, 130. Yeah. I'm out. 28%. It's okay. Could I hold on to it?
Hi guys, what's up?
Man, I cannot hear you guys for 1 second.
Yeah, Bloomberg article did come out Wells Fargo said that one big option trade fueled S&P 500's midday jump.
Oh.
I think it came out just 20 minutes back.
Big order goes through. Alright, it's 1 more minute left. The saying is market is controlled, guys. So forget about that now. They're gonna do everything in the pre-market, post-market. We're not gonna benefit anything. Price of control line is right there. They want to look at the wick above the body. You see this? So can't make any money. Market maker decides the money they want. Yeah. Yeah, the 4 o'clock game over, guys. That's it. This is just like that.
Someone bought $56 million worth of puts.
Really? On SPY?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Do they let you leverage that much money, or you just got to put that much money in?
They gotta put that much in. The probably like here $55 million put somebody bought December. $55 million. One trade. $29 million one trade. Look at that. Why? Because of the quarter coming in horrible. December. And I know why these. Look at 29 million. These are big orders, guys. 500 and above contracts. So let me see.
Yo, George, the blocks mean they're all institutional, right?
Blocks institutional and yeah, sweeps are combination of one few traders.
Okay. Thank you, man.
No problem. Let's see after hours what happens, because after hours they normally bring this up here a little bit. So, but man, look at that. Look at this. This. Man, that's scary part. Okay, I'm trying to tweet. All right, guys. So 4:30 intraday class. 4:30. Okay. Okay, I'm trying to tweet, and you can see what exactly happening here. If anything coming in after hours, keep an eye on it. I'm gonna tweet about it. Trying to tweet about it. Okay, sent a tweet. We'll see. I'm gonna check what we're gonna do is we're gonna check, see if any other more order coming in after hours. Let's see if any after order. People do buy after hours. Look like there calls coming in after hours. Calls coming in right there. 4 o'clock, 4:01, 4:03. Yeah, but they just play, think games. But what a day today, guys. All right, I'll take the question, guys. Let's rock and roll. Yep, go ahead. It's bullish.
Yeah, man. From the Lord speaker, what's the major?
What's that?
From the Lord speaker of all.
Oh.
Hi, man. How are you?
Good. What's up? What's cooking?
Okay. What's the space name? What do you want to do?
Never mind. Hold on a second, man. This space is not for just the intraday. Okay. Just hold on. Hold your thought. Okay. Anybody had a question? Anybody wants to come forward and let me know how was their day today? What did they do? If anything, just share with us while I'll clean up this little chart and then we'll talk what I think. I'll analyze the market. What I see, man, this was the beautiful cup and handle here up there. That was the beautiful find. This one. That was great. Let me clean it up so we all can see chart clearly, and then I'll analyze what I see. Okay. We can't expect too much from the market immediately, guys. Okay. Alrighty, so let's go. Okay. Okay, so here what market did. Look at the MACD. You see this confirming the MACD that want to go north. I understand all the puts are coming in, but at the end, those puts coming in, that is the market has a different agenda. So what we did today, we tried to break through the. Today we try to go down, fill the gap. We did not fill the gap, right? Today market, look at that. This is what market exactly did today. So if you don't understand this, right here, let's go and check it out. So market tried to open up. Oh, market down, 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 and then they took it down. Exactly what I said in the market. Market opened up. Guess what? They went down, but did not fill the gap. All the bears sitting at the bottom. They took it up. They took it up, and look at that. And they break the previous day high. Right here, previous day high slightly. People thought, oh, market gonna be a bullish, but yeah, it's bullish. But they did not close above the previous day high. They did not close above previous day high. They did not close below the previous day low, right? So they were there. They are in the same place where they not the same place, but still in the middle, right here. Basically, not the middle, but they are not upward. They did not break the upward side. They didn't break the lower side. So still they are in the territory of in the mid section right here. So what does it mean? They could go any direction tomorrow. Yeah, they could go any direction. Still the trend is bullish. You see this? This is what you need to know. The trend is bullish right here. Once we break this trend, then we should go lower. Until then, we just market gonna ping pong. Here, and if we break this, we're gonna go higher. So where we break, this is the previous resistance which I was talking about right here, which would be 380, 379, 380. That's what we tried today. Let me make this very clear. Right here. So keep it in mind, this area right here, 379.52. All right. So looks like market setup is bullish right here. So if they get a rejection here, then they could test this trend line and bounce, or they can poke through the resistance and go higher. So this is the setup right now. Looks like let me get rid of this line because we don't need that line. All right. So over here, let me get rid of let me see on a 30-minute cloud. If you see here, we are above the cloud too. If you look at 30 minutes too. We are above the cloud too.
Hey Josh.
Yo, what's up?
I sent you a little private DM. Those puts and calls, because they're like 520 strikes for December and 500. Maybe that's actually bullish. What do you think?
Whoa! What did you say? Oh,
check your DM. I
whoa,
sent you a little
look,
screenshot.
lot of puts coming in right now. Lots of puts. Look at that last 5 minutes. 6 million. What is this?
No, Josh. 70 million for 520.
Oh yeah.
Check my.
Right here. Look at the screen. I'm seeing all these things right now coming in. 17 million, 6 million, 8 million, 4 million, 20 million, 2 million, 6 million, 4 million.
Yeah, but they're so high, right? 500, 400. So is this bullish or bearish?
No, when you buy the puts, if somebody's buying the puts, so they're buying in the money. They're buying in the money. 460. Where are we right now? 477. Yeah, no, they are not in the money. They are out of the money. Only thing is 460 is in the 520 is in the money. 520, 500, but the big order was $55 million right here.
Check my DM. There's one for 70 million for 520 for December 16th.
Okay, let me
But
see.
again, I'm using a different order flow or black box
Got
or
it.
whatever.
Let me see.
But that's what I'm trying to say. Like,
But they combine. They
it's
must
like
be
a hedge, no?
hedge, man. I
I
don't
don't
know.
know. I'm just trying to understand it. Someone
December,
told me
but
when they
everything
buy
is
it,
December.
that much.
Yeah, it's a December puts. All these December puts.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is all December puts coming in.
That's big, man. I've never seen them this high. Dollar
Yeah,
amount.
man. Yeah, they are big coming in right now. So nothing is small coming in. Let's see right now.
Someone knows something.
Someone knows something. Absolutely. Look at that now. Big order. 17 million, 8.5 million. Woo! Man, these people, they got loads of money, man, to go and short. Loads of money.
So Josh, let's look up the cost real quick. So let's just take that 17 million, 12, 16, 520. Okay, I'm at 520. That's $142 an option, a contract. That's crazy. Yeah.
Yeah, people got the money, man. Where the $55 million go? The one which I saw. Let me see.
You said that 55 was like institutional money, right?
Yeah,
Josh, or
yeah. These are all dark pool data. So this is all dark pool big banks, big guns. They come through the.
Yeah, the 500 strike for.
There is a $55 million.
$55
$55 million on your screen. You can see right here. $55 million. One order. Okay. This is just.
Gosh, I've never seen that much. That
oh,
big.
so
Have you?
so it didn't strike yet. The price didn't strike yet.
And they paid they paid highest asking. They paid the asking price, $55 million put. Man, and in the money.
So they pay 120, 155. Is that what you're saying, Josh?
They paid one contract, $121 because in the money
Yeah,
five.
they're already up. It's 122.91 at close.
Yeah, so they already up because they bet big, man. When God knows when they will exit, but they bet big and they play this game, and we don't know when they exit. But absolutely, they are.
So put in QQQ because I sent you that DM. I saw tons on QQQ as well, man.
Absolutely.
So do you think that they know something, or it could possibly be?
They are the market maker, man. They are their agenda. They have the pyramid system. They have all the system. They know what to do. If they
12 million, 16 million, 15 million.
Yeah, 15 million, 28 million put. Look at the QQQ, $28 million put, 28 million put. Let me see. Yeah, these are all up.
So if they all going in on puts, would it make sense to go in that same direction, or?
We should keep it in mind, but time frame is the important question because when do they exit? That's the problem. They're planning December. You see these December dates? They plan like this. When we go and short tomorrow and market goes tomorrow long, then what? They have agenda, man. They know when to exit. They don't panic. We panic. We get squeezed. They don't get squeezed.
So I have a question. Logically thinking, if you're buying those for so high, like 500, and the SPY is 377, are they doing that because then if the SPY basically goes up, they're not going to get hurt as much? I mean, why are they buying it so high?
Why it so high? Because in the money. They pay. They get the highest deltas. Even $1 move, they get the maximum advantage. When you buy too much
I get it.
Yeah, when you buy too much in, you got a crazy delta. It's like $1.98. You have $1 move, you get 98% profit. $1.
Yeah, my delta just shows $1 zero theta on that. So.
Wow, so that the SPY only got to move $1, and they already back at almost like.
Crazy money, and they navigate, man. They go quick in and out, man. They care about it, big time money. They play, yeah, man. We can catch up, but I tell you one thing. Based on these we trade, we lose money. Just to give you idea. But yeah,
is this institutions or hedge funds? I mean, who has this kind of? I mean, that's crazy. I've never seen them this big.
This is look. So this is what happened. Is a order come through the top. And then they have a software where people go and buy. People means those who participate into their software program. That program is like, say for example, how come like BlackRock, right? They have $13 trillion assets, right? Now $13 trillion they have asset. Imagine the power they need in the market. 13 there is a lot. Now they use a lot of middle hedge fund manager, a lot of fund managers, they carry software. So when they buy a software, they don't, everybody is not a Josh who's gonna go and look for every candles and try to make bucks. They say, I don't want to break my head. You think every institution they know all the candles to trade? No way, Jose. They don't want to break their heads. They said, you know what? I need a software where just, I just want to buy something, whatever you tell me, and I will stick to the rules. And as long as you give me 10% guarantee that I, at the end of the day, at the end of the year or end of the quarter, I get this much percentage, then I'm happy. My client is happy and I get my fees. That's what people care about it. And then they bring billions of dollars and they say, okay, if you have a $2 billion package, you get this much advantage, and then you just keep buying, and that's what people want. And then the more the money you bring, the more the power big bank have, big institution has it. All the market makers, they have a big power. Why? Because imagine like that, hundreds and thousands of institutions join, putting $2 billion, $5 billion, $10 billion, and then they just whatever the order flow comes from the top, that's what they buy. If they say buy QQQ or short QQQ or buy this, that's what they don't need to apply their brain. They don't need to look at a chart like what we do. They just need to close the eyes, whatever they say, and that's how the order flow works. And man, it's a pyramid. It's an impact. It doesn't matter. It's a garbage. If it's a Carvana, they will buy Carvana.
Yeah, I mean, think about it. 5 contracts, 122 is like 60 grand or something.
Yeah, they got enough.
I mean, we're not going to be spending
if someone else was to put that type of money in,
it's a pyramid power, man. It's called pyramid power.
The other direction.
Yeah, it's a power, man. It's a pyramid power, and that's what they are using. We are retailer has a more power, but we are dispersed. Just like other day, I tried to show you example, like, let me show you something. The power is all about this, man. Let me bring this picture, and I used to show it to everybody right here. Heard. So this is what we need to see, Change the window right here. Discord people can see this too. So we have, look, there are so many thousand, but there are only 5 guys right here, right? You see these 5, but they got the power. They got the fans. They got all the, these cannot go anywhere. But they, 1,000 here, 5 guys here, but the 5 guys has the power. Why? Because same thing, we are these herd, and we are dispersed. We don't use the power because we don't have the tools to united. They are united. Their mind is set. They exactly know what to do, how to use all this. That's what is happening, and they are using all these. We are herd. Our 401k or people 401k, whatever they are trading, they are in the stake. That's what they do. They use that power.
A 450 strike for December 16th just came in for 84 million put. 450, man, someone knows something.
101%, man. Yeah, let me cancel this now.
SPY, yeah, that's crazy.
SPY. Oh, wow. 10 million. Keep coming in now.
And there's something going on with, what the heck?
Man, this is something is brewing out there. God knows.
Yeah, 450 is $72 right now. And that's a volume of 31,000 on those options. Someone spent 84 million.
Let me see all the computs. Wow. Man, this screen is too big. Let me see now. Look at that. Wow, boy.
Uh, 460 just came in for 44 million. What the heck? 460, 39 million.
Somebody
Gosh,
knows?
what the heck's going on, man? I mean, I've monitored this for a while, Josh. I see like 7 million, 6 million. What's going on, man?
Somebody knows something. Somebody knows something, man.
Can we buy puts, right? We have 15 minutes here.
Yeah, you can. No, not done. You can buy. Done.
Maybe we buy.
But like you said, Josh, these puts they expire months from now, a couple months from now.
Yeah, the game.
Yeah, I was about to bring that up too.
What was that?
The date on the expiration, like he said, they're quite a ways out. I only see a few of them dated for 10/21.
Yeah.
So they've got plenty of time to sit on these, to let the market, move in that direction. But look at their strike though. Their puts for a strike that's like way high.
Yeah, man. This is.
What was the 55 or $56 million one for? What strike was that on?
1 second, I'm about to tweet something.
That's 500. Look at that. The strike was at 500 for SPY for 55.9 million.
You're talking about $500? They saying it's gonna hit?
No. 500 is in the money, buddy. In the money.
Yeah, Josh walked us through that. Yeah.
That's in the money. They bought safety, so they get highest delta. So they make money even if the dollar, if the thing, so they bought, you know what I mean, in the money, man, or no?
Yeah, they got so much cash. Basically, they just threw their money at it. Now when it goes down, they for every point they make it. They make their money.
But if you could explain that a little bit more.
Sure. Just give me give me 2 minutes. I'm about to tweet something and then I will explain you in detail. Okay, just give me a second. SPY go. I mean, you guys can
want to
talk.
make sure that even if it goes up, it stays in the money. They can still exercise it for a profit.
Yeah, and if for some reason it goes up, then they have a little less, I guess safety net, so to speak, until because they bought so far out on the expiration date.
So if the market goes down, they're going to make a lot of cash. And if it doesn't, they've got plenty of time to get it there. And even if it goes the opposite direction, they've got lots of room all the way up to 500 before it goes out of the money, and they can't exercise it. They could exercise it, but they'd have to do it for a loss.
Today, and we'll let Josh analyze this, but seeing this today, someone knows.
I'd have to do the numbers on it to see where their break even is and all that kind of stuff. But I can't wait to see what Josh says here in a couple minutes.
Oh, okay. So you can actually break it down and see exactly. All right.
Okay, I tweet about it. Now, okay, so all these puts market, many institutions, they get the order flow coming in. When the order flow comes in, they buy. It doesn't matter. Hold on. So let me explain you here. You see, A means asking price. If they get the order, everything is asking price because they are small. These are not small order. Mostly people say, they go for lower price to bid on it. They know basically they put the higher price. They paid whatever the price was asking in the market. They paid that. Why you have to pay the asking price when you have a big order? They want to get filled that order at whatever the price they are asking for.
So something's gonna happen. Yep.
Yeah, because that's why it's called unusual option activity. What do you mean unusual? Normally I always keep this thing in mind, keep it in all these alerts and see what are the activity happening in the background, because these people know, because we always know.
What's the timestamp, Josh, of the biggest one?
Absolutely. So the timestamp right here, 4 o'clock, 4:05 right here. This is 6 million for aftermarket.
When did they start coming in?
Oh, they just started with the $55 million one. That one was little early, which was right here, 3:40. They started 15. They started 10 minutes, like 15 minutes to be safer side. 15 minutes before market close.
Something's happening this week.
Yeah, so everything happen is always keep it in mind. 15 minutes, last 15 minutes, they play dirty games. They're gonna show you something, and they do different thing in the morning or later on, maybe 2 days, 3 days, or Friday, something like that. They could do. and they
Josh,
exit.
can you see if there's a big one before that, like towards the morning?
Morning, absolutely. Let's keep it in. All these morning or 600, 500. Those are So let me let me show you. Let me remove the call. Let me put the QQQ's calls also. All right. So what I did is look at the ratio wise right now, calls and puts right here. You see this, all calls and all puts right here. Has to be about $500,000 and above. I don't want to go through 100,000, 200, $250,000. They're not gonna come here. Okay. So these are all mostly $500,000 and above orders are. So if you take a look at the ratio number wise, the calls and put is like 90% put, 10% calls, right? And out of that, if you do the value wise, maybe 95% would be put and 5% would be a call, because calls are smaller and puts are big puts right here, right? So that's this 55 million and 14 and $29 million covers up the whole. Then probably this 29 million will cover the whole, all entire calls. Not even that 29 million would be, maybe 15-20 million would be. So calls are only, I would say, about 10 millions, 15 millions or 20 millions. Just so I covered 30 million, but rest of all the puts are higher here. If you see that, so all the puts coming in. So when somebody buys this put, when say, hey, I'm gonna buy it at 520. When you buy the put at 520, what does it mean? You are buying in the money. He paid 520. He bought a 520, and he paid 1,200. He bought 1,200 contract right here, and he paid $142 one contract price, because he bought so much in the money. Why they buy in the money? Because delta will be like 99% here. When you buy delta, when you buy that far, maybe let me look on my other screen where I can look how much the delta would be. That expiry 1216 SPY. I'm on another screen. Just a second. I need to see that, which I need to bring. Put right here. December what? December 16, right? December 16 right here. December 16. Yep. And it comes out 520 in the money right here. So in the money, wow, man, these people are in the money, big in the money. Okay, so nobody can beat this. And they are thinking there's something going to flush, man. This 520, wow. So 90% they get, if they get, they are way in the money, but they are way far out. So what exactly mean, guys? Okay, hear me out. Very, very important thing. So over here, what the game is doing is, they want, the further the out you go, the date, right? When you want to go too far out, you won't be able to get the delta higher normally. But if you want to gain the delta, you got to also choose way in the money, because you are not participating into the game. But if you want to participate into the game, you can participate, but you can make good money. Your delta is way high, 90 cents, 91 cents delta, because they got in the money, way in the money. Too far out, you're not going to have a delta, but they went way inside, deep in the money. That's why they get the highest delta. But if they go
yeah, Josh, just to explain layman, right? So they will get the maximum profit out of that.
Yep.
If you have deep in the money, if you have time, 99%, this is going to give them the big fruits.
So in the money, if you go in the money, like very, very next to the price, if you go out of the money, even though you're very close to the strike price, you get 50% less money profit. If the price moves $1 up, you get 50 cents here. $1 goes down. If the SPY goes $1 down, you get 50 cents. If you are out of the money, very next to out of the money. But if you go with the 520, and if the SPY goes $1 down, you're gonna get 91 cent premium. 91 cent premium you're gonna get, because
Josh. But so there are two things which everybody understands. It's a low theta, more delta.
Yep, only 1 cent.
And low theta, more delta. The only thing you need millions of dollars to buy that.
Yeah.
Because it's very costly. If you look at the contract price,
5 cents they lose every day. They lose 5 cents a contract, regardless of the things. Regardless, they lose 5 cents. So they wouldn't mind this. Whenever they're gonna market flush, that day they will go and dump it everything, and they get big time money. So something, I think whenever you see like this is what I think. There is a toilet flush going to come. Some point of time that will be a toilet flush, and when toilet flush, all these big money, they reap the big money. They make a big money. They make big money.
Joe, somebody was asking, right, since if we went over 415, right, and they want to enter. So basically, you can enter a ETF on the short side. You need more money, but you can enter in an ETF on the short side for SPY or for Qs if you want. If you think, right, you want to participate, and it's after 415, then you can buy a ETF on the short side.
Yeah, that is true. All right. So, anybody has a question?
Hey, Josh, how are you?
Good, man. What's up?
No, nothing. Just usual. I want to say hi. That's why I joined. I'm busy with my work. Hey, you was talking about these puts. Those bought or sold those puts?
These are all buy. Somebody has to sell. Somebody has to buy. These are all buy. Somebody has to spend money to buy.
Okay, so they bought for very deep in money, like a 520. Okay.
Yeah, some people. This guy bought a 520, but not all of them. But absolutely, they are 422. The 420 is in the money too, man. Yeah, 520 is outrageous, man. Look at this, $20 million spent, 500 strike, man. This way in the money. Even 420 is way in the money, man. But look at the premium they are paying, $42, $42, for $142. We look for $3, we look for $10, $5, right? These people are paying $42 each contract. Money, that's called money power, man. They got the power.
So it looks someday it will dump like anything, I hope, correct?
That for me to understand, like when somebody wants to invest big money, they want to take the quick money in and out. So whenever somebody invests big time, and it's a chain reaction. Like when somebody is not only one trade 55 million, is a bunch of 20, 29 million, 15 million, 18 million, like this is unusual activity. Normally every day we see 1.5 million, okay, oh wow, 1.5 million, oh wow, 600,000, 700,000. We talking here 20 million, we talking 55 million, we talking 29 million. That's unusual, right? So whenever unusual quantity happening, what does it mean? There will be a toilet flush. What does it mean? When that happens, they will take the exit, and they will take the money and run. That's what would happen.
One day they will get all the whatever, I guess, because that's the reason. Yeah, understood.
Yeah, this is something not normal. This is not normal. I'll post video tonight, and I'll making that too little bit, because this is these all retailer, they could lose money if they do not know about all this. Many people do not know, they have the position, and they think, man, market is, look, this is what normal if they do. So
so Josh, so people are interpreting, I don't know how they understand this one. So they are saying the big hedge funds are covering their position. They don't understand, they are buying more shorts, man. It's not cover, they are buying more position. Who will cover at this level, right? So I don't know like how people understand, but on the Twitter, so there is a sentiment that these big hedge funds are covering this position due to the rally, right? So I don't know like who is right and who is wrong, but it seems the interpretation is wrong. After hours and above the ask is simply buy in short term. So if they are buying, something is going to happen. It will not be immediate, but it will be maybe within a week. They are always right, and they are well ahead in the game.
Yeah, they are always ahead of the game. That's for sure.
So they are always right, and they are always ahead of the game. So there may be a couple of green days,
up,
but
doesn't go down.
They
can
take
take
a
a
couple of
loss.
green days.
No, wait.
Then the later term.
Okay. No, hold on, Gurdeep. What did you say? I forgot. What did you say?
No, I was saying if they're expecting the market to go down with the puts and the market doesn't go down, they can still take a loss, correct?
No. What he's saying, what on a Twitter people are talking about is like this, that okay, some people, they think market gonna go up, right? If the market goes up, in their portfolio they have billions of dollars they invested into it, right? But they need to hedge. If they want to hedge, they can go and buy a put, right? Just in case if market go and flush, something happens, then the puts, if the market goes down, their puts will be their hedge, and the puts will print the money, and the stock will not lose the money. You follow? The stock, whatever the money they lose, that money will be covered by the puts. That's what people are talking.
Right.
You follow?
Oh, okay. So yeah, that's a good idea. So you could do that too as a retail investor. If you feel like something may go up or in the opposite direction, you can hedge
Yeah, but then
against it.
you know there is another things too when the put goes when you so you need to have the first of all you need to have that big portfolio in order to go like that. Otherwise what happen is you are definitely gonna lose that $55 million you put it in if the market goes north direction. If the market goes bullish and you bet in on it that probably it's gonna go down and probably doesn't go, then your the $55 million you're gonna lose that regardless. So what does it mean? That means you are whatever the money you invested into the stock and you are investing into hedge, that hedge money will be lost. So when you lose the hedge, you need to work harder to make that profit which you are trying to make from the stock investment what you're trying to do. You're getting my point. There's a double hard work. When you hedge, yeah, but then the hedge is always risk. You are risking to, you are trying to save the risk, you are trying to eliminate the risk, but you are also adding up extra burden on your portfolio too to gain more money tomorrow, just in case if it doesn't happen that I mean option doesn't go straight down. They can burn that premium if market maker decide to burn the premium without even gaining your portfolio or losing your portfolio. Still you can be the same and you can lose your 55 million. So you will not have a benefit in your portfolio. I'm giving you thesis. You cannot have a gain and you could still lose $55 million you put it on your hedge. You get my point? So you'll be working harder. That can happen too. It's a different style market maker can play the game. But what I notice here is the combination of the bulk order coming from the varieties of the places. So when thing comes like that, that means something marketed. If you look at the perspective of a hedge, yeah, it could be, but I think the earnings are going to be horrible. That's what market maker, all the big banks are expecting, horrible earning expectation. That's what I can see.
And Josh, this Friday we have a job report that can be tricky. Next week we have a CPI report that can be tricky, right? And then we have earnings, right? So there are so many beta elements which can move the market in either direction.
Yep.
The only problem is you need to have patience and you need to have too much of money if you follow the option flow, because it can be few days here and there, and then it all comes to patience and extra money. If you have extra money and you can put it, great, but it can go to zero, it can make you hero. So it all depends. So but this pays a lot, but we need to keep considering it can take even a week to trigger. Sometimes it can be sideways for 4 or 5 days and it kills the theta.
Yeah, the best thing is not to bet on put side and long side both, and just what I notice is overall when I teach the macro, right, when I give the macro telling me my financial fundamentals tells me that market cannot go anywhere, guys. Market supposed to go down below. Right now we supposed to be at 320, but we are not. Why? Because we have this market is agenda driven. Market is late. If you ask me, guys, okay, I know this market, how they work. Market is, everybody say market is ahead always 6 months. No, not every time. Market is behind, because they go behind also, they have advantage. They can go ahead of thinking of, FOMC meeting now, they're not going to raise the market interest rate in 2023. Yeah, that I can understand that part. But when it comes to right now, the price action, geopolicies and all, when it the election coming in and the agenda driven, man, they can lag for six months. I show you a lot of price action. They don't want to move until they decide. And they, sometimes they become late. They want to go late. They want you to go first, and they get slaughter you, and then you get squeezed, and then the stock goes down. This is how they play too.
And one more thing, yeah. And sorry, just to add one more point, then I'll just stay quiet. So today the volume is less than the last 3 days. Okay, so that's one more point to note. So it means it can run out of gas shortly.
So last 3 days we have the bullish, and the supply zone is right here in market trying to find the supply. Let's see in the morning here. I mean, let's see what happened here. If that's what I said, that hold on. So this is what I tell you about the conditions. Remember over here we had imagine this scenario happen here on your computer. Look, market went down 1.5 month right here. You see that we went down. Then everybody thought we bearish, and then market tried to went up. Look at that, went up, right? We went up for what? 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks, 3 weeks, like that, and then boom, went down. If you look at the MACD, oh, going up, and again boom, and then we went lower low. We went 60 handle down, 55 handle down from this top to this days in 6 days. Gap down and go. Constant 3, never happened in the history. We did it in a 6 days, 55 handle down, S&P 500 gap down, gap. You follow? Gap down, constant 2 days like this. In a 6 days, we brought it down from this low to this low right here. You see that? And look at the MACD came down. So same thing over here. We are right now bearish. Now they take it bullish. And if you ask me, horrible, triple horrible earnings are this quarter we would have. It is going to be a jaw dropping there. What happened? It's like a is something going to break. That's those kind of earning I expect because of this dollar weakness and a lot of sluggishness in the market. No demand, consumer, no. I mean, it's a lot of spending issues. So that would bring the earnings down, profitability down.
Josh, just thinking about the calendar that we have coming up. We've got some economic news coming out the next few days. Next week, does the Fed speak?
Brendan, you are in and out.
I'll sign back on.
Yeah. Somebody was speaking something. I don't know who was it.
Yeah, it's Pinch.
Yeah, Pinch. What's up, man?
Hey, Josh.
Hey, how are you?
Josh. Yeah, earlier I was listening to your analysis on the group's analysis on those 55 million puts that were bought deep in the money. Mm-hmm. So when I was actually analyzing the data, there are several orders that came even past 4 o'clock about those huge, block orders, not sweep orders, just block orders. So they're really desperate trying to get those filled. So when I look at the data for December 16th, anything deep in the money that's deeper than 428, those calls have 100% delta of 1, no vega, no theta, 0 theta. I mean, that's basically essentially 0. Mm-hmm. When you look at that for December calls, December puts. For November, anything deeper than 416, November 18th, those monthly puts, anything deeper than 416 has 1 delta, 0 theta, 0 vega, that kind of stuff. And October 21st, anything above 402, because it's less likely. So when you look at the chart, when you look at your chart and stuff, where you have your 200-day moving average and all that, right now the 200-day moving average is like at 420. It's less likely that the S&P 500 is going to go above 420 in the next several weeks to months. That's the way that everybody's thinking. So these are deeper puts. Deeper puts. They are actually they don't have to hold it all the time, like you all mentioned. They still get to. They bought these for 120, 121. The only loss they'll be having is the bid-ask spread, which is actually 121.60 to 122.10. So there's a 50-cent bid-ask spread. That is what their investment. That's what they're willing to lose, basically. More than whenever they want to sell it. That's all they're going to pay. But they're not going to have any theta or loss of vega, if the direction still continues in the bullish way. So that's where I think, they're making money. If there is another small downturn, in the next month or so, and we are able to go down anywhere below what we are right now, 377 in the next 1 month, they're profitable. They're profitable because they're still not going to hit that theta or vega changes. Mm-hmm. They'll have full delta, one of delta 1.
Yeah, delta will definitely will have.
What you're saying, 428, 416, and 402 are those key levels because they're all at the delta.
Hey Josh, just want to say that this put activity is nothing new. I mean, they've been loading up on these
puts not key levels. Basically, right now when you look at the option chain, where it becomes 1 delta, for October 21st it's 402. For November 18th, it's 416. So what does that tell you is for October 21st, the chances of it being 402 is almost like 0%. So if delta is 1, the probability is 100% probable that it will not reach there. That's where you get that delta, right? Delta is it also gives you the probability of reaching in the money. So for October 21st, which is only like couple of weeks now, left, a little more than 2 weeks.
Yeah.
So anything more than 402, like deeper than 402 in puts, 402 puts, anything deeper, your chance of being, like losing is almost like, it's that's why they're doing it so deep that they're putting in the big money. They don't want to risk. That is the safest play. So we could all, if you have a big enough account.
So we could do like 405, 410 would be okay.
Yeah, for October 21st,
not financial advice, but yeah.
Not financial advice, but that is what the statistics are telling us based on the option chain. That's so higher probability that it will be less than 402 by October 21st. So you will still be in the money. You'll make some profit, But again, no 100% guarantee. But according to the option chain, that's what they're basing it as.
Mm-hmm.
Sure. This is a great case study, so thank you for your knowledge.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you, Pen. 1 second. Discord, somebody was talking about something. Discord, go ahead.
Yeah, this put activity, I don't think it's anything new. They've been loading since September. Like it's actually right around the bottom, around the 29th and 30th. That's the last time we had like a $40-50 million print on these.
Oh, they're doing. But I did not notice on a one-day activity like this, all of a sudden happens. Sometime it happened, and then it disappear for about few weeks, and then again happens like that. But this is little bit, which I remember we used to trade at the, I remember in this cycle or one of the cycle when we were trading, I saw that too, similar kind of pattern. So,
Josh, one more thing. If you have access to that dark pool data, if you can backdate it, do you see any of those similar big put orders?
They would be executed, closed. All the options will be closed. You cannot, unless they are open.
What orders came in backdate?
Check out my screenshot in the chat.
10th of September, like 9th of September and 12th of September, before we took another huge, turn down. You could not see that, right?
Josh, there is one more thing. So there are sweeps and block, and there is spread as well, right? So when anything above 50 million, it can be spread, and it's a little confusing. I don't know how Black Box knows that, right? But we need to ignore any spread. It should be either sweep or it should be either block, right? But if there is any spread, that's a noise. We need to ignore that. So, but so far in other tools, they define whether it's a opening or it's a closing, along with whether it's a spread or whether it's a non-spread. But Black Box it's little confused, so they don't mention what's that. Anything above 50 million, a little fishy, it can be spread. So because nobody wants to go for sweep or block for more than 50 million, it's much what I've seen so far in the last 1 year. So generally they go for, so whatever I think we should look something for October and something close to the price which we are having. And if it's more than 10-50 million, it makes sense to go that direction. But we should have the time.
Right.
Yeah.
Somebody says he sent me a photo on what? Discord? Okay, I don't know where.
Is there somewhere else I can send it?
Are you on Discord or are you on the Twitter?
I'm on Discord.
Okay, so Discord, yeah, just send it Discord. Discord is good. You send. I don't see on a Discord any message from you. Unless you post it on a live chat.
Yeah, check out the live stream chat.
Yeah, chat. I don't see your any live chat. I don't see anything you posted here. All right, here, posted here. Post here. You see live.
And Josh, one more thing today, market went up, yields went up. That's a little more tricky. Okay, just one more observation.
Yeah, that we need to look into this market, what exactly market is doing. Yield is right here too, yield. Look, yield has to, the problem is, that market is driven and yield is rising up. Yield was controlled some reason, but they have now yield going up is a disaster for, I don't know how they are bringing this yield up, man. I mean, yield going down. Yield going down is not a good, I mean, yield is supposed to go up.
Market went up, yield went up. It's fishy situation. So can you look at Dixie? Can you look at Dixie?
Yeah, Corey.
Everybody knows that, right? It's a fishy situation. It cannot be like that, right? So.
Yeah, the market, normally the scenario should be opposite, but it could happen that yeah, like here, look, this market when they were took it down, yield was going down here too, and people were excited too, but this is wrong. At the end, inflation rate has to be below the yield rate, and which we are not, so we are way far apart right now.
Yeah, and one more observation. Today we were having the number from PMI on the services side. Monday we received on the manufacturing side. Today we received on the services side. So it's a much more than what was expected, and it's much more than the previous month. So looking at this one, it seems the core CPI will be sticky, and it can be more because the services are still intact, and there is a demand in that. So wage growth and everything is still intact. ADP report was much more than expected. PMI for services are much more than expected. So core CPI can be more than expected. It's a sticky one. So that's the second observation for today.
Okay, I see the report you sent, all the SPY puts. Yeah. So what was you said all the blocks? You're saying something.
Yeah, take a look. I mean, the last time we had activity in the 50 million range was on the 30th, which was actually the bottom before this huge short covering rally.
On the bottom, on June, I mean, sorry.
September 30th.
September 30th, right here. Okay, that was 19 million.
There's a 49 million that was purchased at 3:22 p.m. on 9/30, September 30th.
Oh.
Same expiration.
No, right now we don't only have a one trade. We have a 55 million, 29 million, 15 million, 21 million. So if you look at the tweet, I tweet about it. So this time is not just the one order. We have a big order right here. So if you look at this over here, look at the order. This is just the today. Within 15 minutes, we got 55 million. We got 29 million. We got 14 million. So if you combine these if you combine of the whole day, it would be like probably I would say easily 55, 20, maybe go around 500 million just the today. If that could go, man, this is the way things are. This is just a 500,000 above puts. So this is like bigger. This is something what you are trying to show me here is not just like we are not talking 100. 100 is always every day there. Puts and calls, something activity there. 50 million, I'm sure there might be an everyday whole process, but when it comes to big order like 400-500 orders, that I don't see in this like the one you're talking about. But these are everyday happening. I understand that part. But what I see is something unusual right now. The thing what I saw the number. So like when we see tomorrow, you will not find like these kind of activity maybe tomorrow or maybe day after tomorrow, but something like that I don't see. Right, Gurdeep? Have you ever seen like this kind of activity every day?
Josh, so one thing can be, since we are coming in the first week of October, right? It's a quarter starting. So generally they open some position, they buy some pension fund, they hedge for quarter. So this can be one of the routine activity, Josh. So we should be only concerned what is close in this month, right? And what's the strike price they are targeting and how much is the premium, whether it's a block or a sweep. So something for October should be taken in consideration. We can ignore November and December. Yeah. So generally, since we are just entering in this quarter, right? And generally all the pension funds, they buy something, they hedge something, right? So this can be part of their routine activity. And it can take some time since it's December.
But how do you say routine? Sorry, go ahead.
Yeah. So why I say routine activity, I have seen it like many times. Like Josh and myself, right? So we observe this black box so many times. We have seen this activity. The only activity that matters is something which is after hours and close to expiry. But
at those dollar amounts, because I've seen 600, a million, maybe 7 million, we get excited. I've never seen 141 million or 82 million.
So that's the reason I'm saying that can be spread. Think like that. It's not a sweep or a block. So generally more than $15 million, I have not seen any option activity. So those are generally open spread, right? Deep option spread. So they buy something, they sell something. So you see the total premium. But the black box, they doesn't categorize whether it's a sweep, block, or spread. The other tools does that. Cheddar Flow does that. Flow Algo does that. Tradalytics does that. But black box does not. So that's the reason if you're looking at those screenshots, somebody has to tell you whether it's a spread or whether it's a sweep. So if it's a sweep, 100% guarantee that price is something which they are looking for. Is it answered your question?
Yes. Thank you.
Okay. No problem.
Mm-hmm. Interesting. Okay, we have a couple of questions. D Miami, we got any question? You might need to unmute.
Can you hear me?
Yep, absolutely.
Okay, Josh, I'm just taking the time to stop by and say how grateful I am that I have found you on Twitter.
Okay.
I'm a single mom, I'm a doctor. I don't have a full time to join you guys online, but the very few times that I listen to you, you help me not make money, but not lose money. And,
good.
Yeah, and I'm looking forward to one day take your classes. I don't have the, my schedule is very limited, but I just want to share that what you do, it's amazing. I listen when I'm driving, when I'm stuck in traffic in Miami. I always listen how much information you give to everybody for free, and I just want to share that. I'm so grateful.
Oh, thank you.
Sometimes you say like karma is good, and I feel that you're giving so much to me, and I'm very grateful.
Oh, thank you, and I really appreciate coming forward and sharing your time. Appreciate.
Okay, okay, ciao.
Yep. So, well, we're gonna look at this. All the data is coming out. It's all right. We don't. The reason behind I learn about it. Sometimes you can burn on these, and we don't want to take because of that. We can't take a trades. That's the reason I choose to be 100% cash. And you saw today what we did, right? Exactly. So I'm very grateful today that people made crazy money. Several that very rare where we can find 2 times 100% profit. Today is the day. In fact, yesterday was a beautiful day, but today was like great day. And so I'm gonna work on something, guys. I felt I'm gonna in the today class I'm gonna teach a couple of students are there, but I think I got some another extra niche on it, and that if I can catch that niche, probably we can really man, we can flourish big time. And I'll let me see. I'll try to share. We need to find those things because I want people to make money, man. These market makers, they have the big powers. We don't have now. We need knowledge. If you have the knowledge, this market gives you ample opportunity. You saw today what happened, right? So same thing, man. If you have the proper knowledge to trade, man, we can definitely mint money. But if you're trading on a hope, that's the worst thing to do. If you're trading on let me go and buy because look at the puts been purchased, let me go and buy. And that's the wrong way to trade. That's the wrong way to just on a one indicator. We can't trade. MACD going down, let me go and buy. And that's wrong. We are above the cloud limit. I'm talking about like you need to identify the good setup. When you identify a good setup, man, that prints money. Just like how I announced today. And several times I announce it, right? Whenever I announce something, when I feel something, man, it works out. It works out. And sometimes doesn't work. If it is not a good setup, it doesn't work. But when it works, man, we can stay in the trade and we can print big time. And that's what we need to know, man. Other than holding hopes, it's tomorrow market gonna go down, the market gonna go up, and oh boy, that don't participate in new enchilada. That could be messy. Yeah.
Josh, today market had launched long Kramer and short Kramer ETF.
Yeah, man, the guy is whomsoever did it, hats off to him. Good. You know, we needed, man. You know, I'm telling you, there's a lot of people, man, lost a lot of money, and they don't have they don't have the platform. They're gonna just keep quiet and just move on to their life. But imagine, because of Kathy Wood, because of you know, many Jim Cramers or whatever would, whomsoever would be, who are really pumpers, and their back end, their in the back of their mind is pumping and dumping, and that strategy, man, is not good. That's not supposed to be good, and people lose money.
And Josh, we were talking for that Wells Fargo equity. That Wells Fargo activity happened today for 20,000 SPX call for 4,500 strike, expiring for October, and then 14,000 for March 2020 at 4,300 strike. So these two strike altogether 4,800 calls maturing in January roughly, which is a bullish bet. That moved the market from bottom to top today. That's what is the analysis.
Yeah, but man, these option activity guys, when they exit, when they enter, we don't know, right? That's the problem. We got to be very careful. Whatever all these things happen, and we take the positions, and we don't know when they move on the back door. Yeah, right? When they move out of the back door, that's the problem. That's why we just need to do, man. Whomsoever was here today, you know, that's how, you see what exactly market was, right? Today, I would prefer to do that rather than just hanging in with them and market gonna go be bullish, and then 3 days bullish, and for that, damn, rug pulled. Look here, what exactly happened in this bear market. Market was going full swing. Nobody knows what is the history. Market bullish right here, bullish. Trend line broken. Oh wow, market is going to go to the north, to the moon, and guess what? Next day you woke up 23 point down S&P 500 at the morning 4:15, and then in the end of the day it closed around 392. Do the math, man. 4:15 and 390, man, you people lose big time. So that's how market makers are playing with you, and we don't want to participate. I mean, I would love enjoy during the daytime, but if they're doing with the people over the morning, you wake up and you don't have you think market gonna be bullish, and all of a sudden they change the tune and bring it to the bear. People lose money, and that's what I don't like, man. I don't know, somehow I feel like people should know this, otherwise it's just like a betting. Betting is like you flip the coin, depends on coin how it goes, heads or tail, right? And people lose money. That's I don't know, man. I don't like that, because this is agenda. Whatever they do is agenda driven, man. I'm telling you, and that's what I don't like. That's why I like to find the safety, and safety is to be 100% cash, particularly in this kind of event. If we understand 5.5, 2, 3 handle up and down in a day in a pre-market, I understand. But when you wake up in the morning and 10, 15 handle down, that's dangerous.
Can I ask?
Yeah, go ahead, please. Go ahead. Who is it?
What exactly are you doing on your business?
Man, come on. Sorry, man. Okay, next time.
Josh, quick comment.
Yep.
Someone wrote this. SPY deep covered puts. Looks like institutions or big guys shorted the market long back and now covering their position. Let's see. So that's another take on it.
Yep. Let them do. We are 100% cash. Whatever they do. My strength is this, man. What I can tell you is, when it comes to whatever they want to do it when the market is live. That's what I would tell you. And I love it.
For this, Putin may test underwater nuke 150 times stronger than the bomb in Japan near Ukrainian border. So who knows?
Man.
That was 4 hours ago, though. Someone knows something, Josh. Something's happening.
Yeah, this is unusual. There's something good. Every day we see this, right? Every day I keep an eye on it, but this is little bit unusual, guys. Okay, so agree.
Good discussions, guys.
All right,
Keep the news on. We'll see.
Absolutely, guys. If anybody I really appreciate people who are DMing me any updates. I do see those DMs, people who update me any news. Privately who DM me, I really appreciate, guys. Okay. All right, guys. Any other questions? Anybody want to put their give input? Otherwise, we can go back to the class. I'm going to start the class now. Starting the class, 5 o'clock. So See you guys tomorrow morning, 9:30. Man, I'm addicted to this, man. It's like loving it. That's what I tell you, loving it. And I feel like all the moms coming in, and they're telling me that I'm switching on Josh YouTube's and not listening to the TV. I don't even use TV. This is the second mom in 2 days telling me. So glad to hear that. Yep. Thank you guys. Thank you for being here today, and hopefully we'll have the similar kind of day tomorrow. We'll try our best. Thank you guys. Good night. All right. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, YouTube. Thank you, everybody. I did not read your comment, but absolutely going through, look at the open entry. Yeah. So, yeah.